Hello students, myself SRM sir, my YouTube channel Soumya Education for the preparation of JEE and NEET student. Okay, today's topic is periodic classification. That is the first topic of inorganic chemistry. Okay, then come to discuss. Okay, first of all, we will discuss about what is periodic classification. Various scientists given various laws on the basis of the elements, but we know modern periodic table that is consists of 118 elements. Okay, the modern periodic table consists of 7 horizontal row and 18 vertical column. Okay, and there are more rows, that is starting from atomic number 58 to 71, that is 14 element, and again 90 to 103. If the atomic number lies in between 58 to 71, then it is called as lanthanide series. If the atomic number lies in between 90 to 103, it is called as actinide series. Hala? Okay, this is 58 to 71 and 90 to 103. Okay, then come to lanthanide series configuration and actinide series configuration. 4F 1 to 14, 5D 0 to 1, 6S2. Okay, then after lanthanide, then actinide comes, because 58 to 73, then 58 to 71, then 90 to 103. Similarly, 5F 1 to 14, 6D 0 to 1, 7S2. Only the difference is 4F, 5F, 5D, 6D, 6x2, 7s2. Okay, if we remind this as a logic, फेल दिल्ली से, फेल दिल्ली से, फेल दिल्ली से. Okay, this is the logic, that is फेल दिल्ली से. Okay, F for F orbital, D for D orbitals, S for S orbital. As a logic, first lanthanide, that is 58 to 71, that is consist of 14 element. Okay, that is F for 4F 1 to 14, D 5D 0 to 1, 4 5 6, 4 5 6. Okay, then 5 6 7. ओके, तो हमें याद करना है फेल दिल्ली से. एफ फॉर एफ ऑर्बिटल, 1 to 14 नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन प्लेस्ड इन दिस ऑर्बिटल. डी ऑर्बिटल में 0 से 1 तक इलेक्ट्रॉन फिलअप होगा, एंड एस ऑर्बिटल में 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन फुलफिल होगा. ओके, सो इफ वी राइट lanthanide, फेल दिल्ली से, F फॉर 4F, दिल्ली 5D, 4 5 6S 2, 4F 1 to 14, 5D 0 to 1. Similarly, actinide 5F 1 to 14, 6D 0 to 1, 7S2. Okay, this is the logic. The elements after uranium, that is the atomic number after 92. The elements present after the atomic number 92 are called as transuranic. Okay, called as transuranic. Then come to the groups according to what is the full form of IUPAC, that is International Union of Pure and Applied chemistry. Okay. Then come to the first S block. S block consists of two groups, that is NS1 and NS2. Okay, NS1 and NS2. Okay, what is NS1? NS1 alkali metal, NS2 alkaline earth metal. NS1 that is alkali metal, that is group 1 element, that is group 2 element. Okay, then come to P block. P block, the last electron goes to P orbital. That is the electronic configuration NS2 NP126. NS2 compulsory, NP126 according to the group. NS2 NP1, NS2 NP2, NS2 NP3, NS2 NP4, NS2 NP5, NS2 NP6. Then come to the D block, that is the electronic configuration, that is N-1 D 1 to 10 NS2. NS2 also 0 to 2. 0 is not possible, but 1 to 2. Okay. Then come to F block, that is the electronic configuration, that is N-2. If that is the logic, if we consider D block, then we say N-1 D 1 to 10. Okay, N-1 D 1 to 10. Okay, and NS 1 to 2. Sorry, this is not 0, this is 1 to 2. But F in F block, N-1, so logically N-2 F 1 to 14, NS2. NS2 compulsory as it is. Okay, then the elements, then some important terms. What? The elements, that is group 1 and 2 elements, and 14, 15, 16, that is up to the group that is in between 13 to 17, that is 14, 15, 16. These are called as representative element or normal element. So which groups are we said as normal element or representative element? That is group 3, group 4, sorry, group 1, group 2, that is alkali metal, alkaline earth metal, and also the groups lies in between 13 to 17, that is 14, 15 and 16. Okay, these are called as normal or representative element. Then come to the group 18, that is noble gas. Group 17, that is halogens. Group D, transition element. F block, inner transition element. Group 15, nicogens. Group 16, chalcogens. And 58 to 71, that is lanthanide, and 90 to 103, that is actinide. Okay, then come to आज क्योंकि हम नीट और जेई के प्रिपरेशन के लिए दिस वीडियो लेके आए हैं, सो हमें तो एक ही वीडियो में सब ख़त्म करना होगा. सो हम बेसिक चीज़ें पढ़ के चले जाएंगे और आपको इसी से ही क्वेश्चन आ जाएगा. ओके, देन कम टू व्हाट इज स्क्रीनिंग इफेक्ट. ना, स्क्रीनिंग इफेक्ट इज इफ we consider this is a nucleus. Okay, then these are the cells. This is the outermost electron. If in the innermost electrons are more, then it experience, okay, then it experience less amount of force of attraction by the nucleus. So this is called as screening effect. If the number of inner cell electrons are more, then the screening effect is more. If it is less, then it is less. Okay, so screening constant, that is sigma, okay, which is increased down the group. So total nuclear charge is denoted by Z. Effective nuclear charge equal to Z effective is equal to Z minus sigma, that is atomic number minus screening constant, that is the factors affecting the shielding effect or screening effect. What are the factors that are affected to the shielding or screening effect. First one is number of inner shell electron. मैंने यहाँ से बोला कि if there are more number of inner shell electron, then the outermost electron or valence electron experience a less number of force of attraction, sorry, a less force of attraction from the by the nucleus. Okay, so more the number of shell electron, inner shell electron, more will be the value of sigma. The shape of orbital, according to the shape of orbital, this is the order of the screening effect or shielding effect. S orbital have more screening effect or shielding effect, then P, then D, then F. Okay, then come to the, we know that the screening effect, that is sigma, increase down the group and decrease down the period. Okay, so from this we know that Z effective is equal to Z minus sigma. If sigma increase down the group, then Z effective decrease down the group. Okay, Z effective down the group decreases. Okay, and Z effective along the period increases. Okay, then come to the atomic ready. First atomic ready, if two atoms are there, then if we draw a line to join the center of the two atom, then it is called as radius. Okay, then come to the, what is radius we know, then come to covalent radius. If two atoms are mutually shared, then the covalent radius is as shown in the figure. Okay, then come to the metallic ready. Also this is the metallic ready. Then for diatomic gas, then this is the van der Waals ready. So here we conclude that van der Waals ready is more greater than metallic ready is greater than covalent ready. Okay, this is the important which comes in the exam. Okay, remember it. Then we know that the atomic ready increases down the group, we know, and the atomic ready decreases down the group, down the period. Okay, then come to the exception, that is group 13 एलिमेंट. मैंने पीरियडिक मैंने बेसिक कंसेप्ट में समझता आया था कि दिस ग्रुप को कैसे याद करें. मैंने इसको समझ आया था कि इस ग्रुप को कैसे याद करें. बैंगन, आलू, गाजर इन थैला. ओके, so बैंगन, boron, aluminum, gallium, indium, thanium. This is the expected because we know that atomic radius decreases down along the period, but due to d electron screening poor, we know that कि aluminum and gallium, due to d electron screening poor, so this is the exception, that is aluminum and gallium are nearly equal. Okay, no, as it is indium, thallium as it is. Okay, only aluminum and gallium. Okay, important. Then come to ionic ready. Also anion radius is more than cation radius. Okay, ionic ready increases down the group but decreases down along the period. Okay, for gaseous atom, Lina Rabisat Ferrier. Okay, so lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, we know that ki the ionic ready decreases along the period. Okay, so but in polar solvent it is alternate. Okay, for gaseous atom this is the order, but in polar solvent if we add this in water then this is the order. Okay, then come to what is ionization energy. The amount of energy required for the removal of an electron. If we remove an electron from the neutral gaseous atom, then we have to give energy. So When delta H, that is energy change, is positive, then it is called as endothermic, and energy change is negative, then it is called as exothermic. Okay, this is endothermic. Okay, because we give energy. But what is exothermic? Now energy releases. Okay, what is successive ionization energy? A, we give ionization energy, then come A plus plus 1 electron. Then again we give second ionization energy to remove another electron, that is A plus 2 plus 1 electron. Okay, always we remind that this is the important thing. Always second ionization energy is more than first ionization energy. Okay. Then for noble gas, this is the order of ionization energy. We also know that how to remind this group. Hina, Nina or Karina की xerox copy है Rina. Okay, this is so we know that the ionization energy decreases down the group. Okay, but increases along the period. So helium is more than neon, neon is more than argon, argon is more than krypton, krypton is more than xenon, xenon is more than radon. Okay, factors affecting the ionization energy. What are the factors that are affected to the ionization energy? Atomic size is inversely proportional to ionization energy. This is a normal thing. Nuclear charge is directly proportional to ionization energy. Okay, that is called effective nuclear charge. Effective nuclear charge down the group we know decreases, so ionization energy also decreases. Atomic size down the group increases, so ionization energy decreases. Again, S is more greater than P, greater than D, greater than Fa, because maximum shielding effect provided by S orbital and minimum shielding effect provided by F orbital. So ionization energy in the order. Okay, then come to, this is another exception. We know कि ionization energy decreases down the group and increases along the period. Then exception, two exception, group 13 and group 14. What are the exception? We know that Bengan, Alu, Gajar in Thela, that is group 13 element. This is the expected, because we know that down the group the atomic ionization energy decreases. So this is the order. But Bengan, boron is more than aluminium, but aluminium is not more than gallium. Okay, aluminium is less than gallium, but gallium is greater than indium, but indium is less than thallium. So what is the logic? Now first we have to write the group 13 element, that is boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium. But this is expected, but actually boron is greater than aluminium, but aluminium is less than gallium, but gallium is greater than indium, but indium is less than thallium. This is the logic. One is less than another, and this is correct, but again one is less than another. Okay, similarly we know that this is the group 14 element, that is Kahe Shivji Suno Parvati. According to this logic we will remind the group 14 element. This is the expected, but carbon is more than silicon, but silicon is more than germanium, but germanium is more than stannum. But this is the logic, only this is the difference, SN and PB. This is okay, reminded, these are the important for the exam. Okay, then come to transition element. Scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese. Okay, first of all we have to remind from scandium to manganese. Scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese. Here the ionization energy decreases. Okay, first to scandium, titanium, vanadium, this is the decreasing order. But manganese, then iron, cobalt, nickel, here the ionization energy of iron, cobalt, nickel are nearly same, but again copper to zinc ionization energy increases. So we have to remind scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese. These 5 were decreasing order. Then scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese. Then iron, cobalt, nickel. These 3 are ionization energy constant. That is nearly same. Then copper and zinc. Then ionization energy increases. Okay. Then come to the electron affinity. What is electron affinity? Okay. Now electron affinity, electron gain enthalpy, these are same, but electron gain enthalpy is equal to the negative of the electron affinity. Okay. Electron gain enthalpy, we know that the halogens are most electron lover because they are 1 electron left from the octet rule satisfaction. So that if we give 1 electron, then it acquires octet rule or it satisfies by octet rule. So they are much more lover than noble gas for electron. Okay. So the halogen का इलेक्ट्रॉन अफिनिटी सबसे हाईएस्ट होता है. सो वो एनर्जी रिलीज करते हैं और एनर्जी यूज करते हैं बिकॉज इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन एंथैल्पी उनका नेगेटिव होता है. But noble gas are already octet, so they have no tendency to acquire any electron, so they have positive electron gain enthalpy. So which have more lover for the electron, so they are regarded as a negative, that is electron gain enthalpy, they are negative. But noble gases are already octet, so they are not want to take electron, so they are positive electron gain enthalpy. Okay. Halogens are electron high affinity highest, so exothermic energy use करती. Then successive electron gain enthalpy, ऑक्सीजन इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन करके O माइनस होगा, वो एनर्जी रिलीज ओके करेगा -141 kilojule mole. But after O minus we give another electron, then it comes to O minus 2, that is 44 kilojule mole. So if direct we give 2 electron, then delta H, that is change in enthalpy, plus 703 kilojule per mole. So here we conclude that the fast electron gain enthalpy is less than the second electron gain enthalpy. Okay. How we remind logically why the electron gain enthalpy of halogens are halogens are negative, but noble gases are positive electron gain enthalpy, because the halogen are lover of electron, so they have a affection positive towards the electron, so their electron gain enthalpy is negative. But in case of noble gases, they have negative affection towards electron, so they have positive electron gain enthalpy. Okay, this is the logic. Because if we have no logic, then we don't remind anything. Okay, because science is a logically based subject. Factors affecting electron gain enthalpy or electron affinity. Electron affinity is directly proportional to effective nuclear charge. Electron affinity is directly proportional to electron affinity is inversely proportional to atomic size. Electron affinity is inversely proportional to atomic radius. Okay, so electron gain enthalpy, this is the order. Expected order is fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, but we know chlorine is more electron affinity than fluorine, because due to high electronic repulsion in fluorine compared to chlorine. फ्लोरीन में हाई इलेक्ट्रॉनिक रिपल्सन होता है एज कंपेयर टू क्लोरीन, सो क्लोरीन इज मोर इलेक्ट्रॉन अफिनिटी देन फ्लोरीन. If in the exam or anything he can ask a question, that is why chlorine is more electron affinity, why chlorine has more electron affinity than fluorine, because the electronic repulsion in fluorine is more as compared to the chlorine, so chlorine is more electron affinity than fluorine. Okay, then come to the application of electron affinity or ionization energy. We know that metallic character is inversely proportional to ionization energy. We know ionization energy decreases down the groove, but metallic character increases down the groove, and metallic character decreases along a period, and non-metallic character directly proportional to the ionization energy. Okay, so ionization energy decreases down the groove, already non-metallic character decreases down the groove. Okay, and it is a important thing, that is metallic character is directly proportional to the basicity of the oxides. Okay, metallic character down the group increases, so oxide ka basicity bhi increases. Okay, then come to the electronegativity. What is electronegativity? The tendency of an atom to attract the bond pair of electron towards itself is called as electronegativity. Electronegativity is directly proportional to if nuclear charge, effective nuclear charge, but inversely proportional to atomic radii. Okay, or electronegativity is inversely proportional to screening constant, that is sigma. Okay, so electronegativity in the total periodic table, fluorine is more electronegative than all elements. Then oxygen, then nitrogen is nearly equal to the chlorine. Okay, this is the important. Electronegativity down the group decreases, along the period increases. So metallic character and non-metallic character. Metallic character is also inversely proportional to electronegativity. Non-metallic character is directly proportional to the electronegativity. Okay. Then come to the application of electronegativity. Now, nature of bond. There are two types of bond, ionic and covalent. If the electronegativity difference is 0, then it is 100% covalent. Okay, it is 100% covalent. Example S2. Here the electronegativity difference is 0. If the electronegativity difference is 1.7, then it is 50% ionic and 50% covalent. If the electronegativity difference is greater than 1.7, then it is highly ionic. But if electronegativity difference is less than 1.7, it is highly covalent. इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी डिफरेंस यदि 0 हुआ तो इट इज हाईली 100% कोवैलेंट. ओके, इक्वल टू 1.7 50%, 50%, greater than 1.7 highly ionic, less than highly covalent. Example, which is 50% ionic and 50% covalent? Na SiO2. Which is more ionic? NF. Which is more covalent? Water. HF is not ionic. We know that covalent bonds are ionic. Sorry, HF is not ionic as expected. NF is highly ionic. Okay, then this is the age rule, that is lithium का magnesium के साथ, that is lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen. This is the one period, this is another period. So lithium का magnesium के साथ, beryllium का aluminium के साथ, boron का silicon के साथ, carbon का phosphorus के साथ. These are the similar, some similar things are matches in between these. Okay, so we know, so this is not very important, so we left this. Then come to the acid base behavior of different oxide. Okay, metal oxides are basic in nature. This is a logic. Metal basic, non-metal acidic. Okay, concept. If same element form different oxide, that is NO, that is here all oxides are constituted by nitrogen and oxygen. If same element form oxide, then higher is the oxidation state, higher is the acidic strength. Okay, and lower is the basic strength. जिसका एसिडिक स्ट्रेंथ ज़्यादा उसका बेसिक स्ट्रेंथ मिनिमम. ओके, जिसका ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट ज़्यादा, उसका एसिडिक स्ट्रेंथ ज़्यादा, उसका बेसिक स्ट्रेंथ मिनिमम. ओके. हायर एलिमेंट, हायर ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट, मोर स्टेबल. लोअर एलिमेंट, लोअर ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट, लोअर स्टेबल. ओके. थैंक यू. वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर करना. थैंक यू. मैं आपका SRM सर.